Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Martin Mi5. Today's video, I found this video and I wanted to share some of the snippets with you. It's called NIO Shorts Increase 17.19 million today. WTF IMF warns China slowing and catalysts in 8 days. So this video is by a guy named Financial Journey, so props to him. Let's just go through and I'm going to kind of tell you what he talked about on this video. I'm using this as a news source because I couldn't find anything else interesting, and I think his video was interesting. So let's go through. Basically, he introduces himself and talks about what NIO did today, and he went through some of the data points and what was really influencing it at the time's market. And the market's now closed, of course, and he wants to give you a quick summary of what really moved. It's what shorts did and everything else you need to know. But first, make sure you hit the like button for him, obviously. So we're going to get into the video. It's down right now 4.05% after hours, and it's going up slightly. Very little volume after hour to hour. Gonna take note, 496 was the low, 516 was the high. And just so you guys know, I placed a limit buy order on Robinhood on my account to fill at 508. Obviously it was filled because it went down so low today, and I think he said 496 was a low. I think it's like 499 right now. So I'm actually in a negative now because it filled it, and I'm a little bit down on my money. I wasn't expecting it to go quite that low today, but just my luck. I'm probably gonna sell it at a slight loss to trying to keep it from bleeding to death. But anyway, 516 was the high. 200-day moving average was somewhat saving grace for NIO. It unregrettably did break, but 48.0 million shares being traded. 81.1 is the average, so you have a lot of algorithmic trading making up for the majority of today's volume. Only 2 transactions did occur in the secondary market above $100,000. Both interesting enough were sells, and one for $256,000, the other one for $151,000. So big money seems to be once again taking a step back from NIO. And he also talks about how it sucks that NIO's been suffering for the greater part of like 3 years due to the geopolitical issues. Big money not really paying attention to it. Seems to be coming back once again despite the pretty good operational updates. But the only thing that really came out in this was in regards to China, was the IMF, so warning that China's future growth may be below 4%. So not the best chain really. And it's kind of thinking between the lines there. NIO today, no SEC filings. Nothing like that good data coming from the States. So this is where we had everything really running up the whole EV sector. Okay, I'm going to play this little snippet for you real quick. Just a small piece. So we're talking about the possibility of it getting back up to $6 next week, and that seems to be a very optimistic view according to him, which I agree. Yeah, like he said, it's like $4.98 right now. So I mean, the IMF is warning China of slowing, and the China stimulus didn't seem to be quite as effective as they were thinking it was going to be. So is this affecting all the EVs? Not necessarily. I looked up a little earlier, and Li Auto is actually doing pretty well. So many of you would say Li Auto shouldn't be in the same category as NIO, but it is what it is. That's what they put. They put Li Auto, XPeng, and NIO in the same basket regardless. But yeah, so I placed that limit order, lost money. I'm probably going to sell it at a slight loss because I don't want to keep trying to catch a falling knife. I don't know how much lower this thing's going to go. Do you guys think this thing's going to go below $4 within the next week? Or do you think it's going to bounce back and wind up being $5 or $6 next week? I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. How many shares of this are you guys holding? Did any of you sell? How many of you bought more? And if you do have a bunch of shares, what's your average cost right now? Do you plan to average down still? Or are you just going to kind of just sit it out and see how low this thing can possibly go? So that's it. Oh, I want to go to the comment section of this video real quick just to see what people are saying. I'm a big person with a freaking comments. So there's 7 comments. This guy is saying financial journey is becoming his favorite go-to for NIO updates. Awesome. That's why I picked this to kind of share with you guys. They didn't expect this. How much are we going to lost more? I think he meant lose more. NIO needs to sell the company to Toyota or someone else. They will go nowhere while they're Chinese. There might be something to that. But this person here has commented on my videos many times, and usually negative. So Samuel is kind of a negative Nelly. And if you're watching this video, Samuel, leave a comment in the comment section below. So if you guys see any of your comments here, feel free to let me know. So that's it for this particular video. Make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, click that notification bell so you guys will be notified of my daily uploads. I'm going to be teaching you guys, about NIO and how to trade stocks and actually start making some money instead of just sitting on your hands and bag holding. So that's it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.